Yo, what's going on, guys? We got another free midweek review, April 10th. Yeah, I'm gonna let these boys do their thing.
What up, boys? How you guys doing? Let me see some of you guys' trades, and yeah, let's jump right into it. Let's get the boy Don or Mike. I think Mike was here right first. Let's get the boy Mike here. What up, Mike?
Um, Hey boys, what's up?
How
What
you
up?
doing, man? How was your trading?
Good man.
Good. How about you guys? I just demoed for today because the range was kind of wide and I didn't really trust myself to not demo, but
Now, wise,
it ended up
wise.
being really good and I kind of hated myself, but it is what it is.
It's all good, man. All good. What trades did you take?
Well, on demo I took four, which is kind of, it's a lot, but I can give the first one. The
Mm-hmm.
first one was a loss. It was at, I would say, around
On ES.
9:30 on NQ, the 9:30 candle, because we had SMT there when we if you put replay on, we only had on the 15 minute. I was on the 15 minute. Yes, as soon as we opened high on the candle
Yeah.
after the 9:30 candle, I tried to short it. It wasn't profit for a little bit, and then ended up losing, right?
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I kind of like zoomed out and I saw an SMT on the Arly, which made me think we're going up. So what I did was I waited for a 15-minute POI,
Mm-hmm.
which was around 9:45. Um, I took calls exactly at 9:46 candle
On NQ.
and Q. Yes,
On the
9:46
snap boost.
candle
Yeah.
exactly.
So you waited for
Yeah.
the 15 minute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or were you in
I
profit on
got
this
I got
trade?
in at 9:46
Mm-hmm.
and I just covered the OB to the left,
Yeah.
which was sorry.
Yeah. Go
No, I
ahead.
took calls. I took calls. Sorry.
Oh, long. What is that?
Yeah, long. 9:46 candle.
Okay, I got you.
As we tagged the OB, I took
Yeah.
longs there and then I covered the OB. And yeah, that's what really almost made me fucking cry because when I took that trade, I was barely in drawdown and it just ran up to the highs, and I did demo on it.
Huh. It's all good, bro.
What
Yes.
what was your confluence behind it?
1 hour SMT at the bottom, so I was thinking we would go hit EQ of the range, but I just wanted the highs regardless.
Mm-hmm.
So it was a 15-minute POI. Yep,
All
right
right.
there with an
Yeah.
OB too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was with an SMT. That's what I. That's why I
Okay.
entered off of it.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know what do you guys think? Was it like a not good trade? It was also in discount. Yeah, that's also one thing too.
Now it was decent. It was decent. Now I want you to realize what's the best type of fullbacks, right? The best type
Mm-hmm.
of pullbacks you want to take is whenever it gets a sharp decline into your POI or into your key level, right? So you want to take it.
Yes.
Now it was valid just because of how you visualize it. All right, but overall, yeah, it was valid, man. Good job. See
Yeah.
the range that we formed. I would say it was good to stay out today,
Uh
just
huh.
because of the CPI drop, and then you can see even FOMC didn't do much, right? So overall, it
Yeah.
was good, man. It was good.
Mm-hmm. Time did you get out
Thank
at,
you.
Mike?
Just as we took the highs, I took it
Okay.
off as
Yeah.
we took the
Mhm.
highs,
Yeah.
and there was another trade that I did, which was exactly at. Let me hold on. Let me see if I can pull out the executions on my end here. Okay. So exactly at 11:29 candle for for shorts.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
11:29 candle. Again, 15-minute POI. 4 hour. I think the 4 hour just opened and it went high. So
You mean the 1 hour?
yes, yes. Sorry, the 1 hour. I was thinking that we might not hit the very lows, but at least we might have went down to EQ at the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
which I think we did with that move there. I sold at the bottom though. I went full out at the bottom as we took the lows because I think we also had SMT at the lows after we took it.
Yeah. Would you use? In the OB.
15-minute fair value gap in the OB. I was waiting for the 15 to open though.
Mm-hmm.
After we tagged it, I waited for the next open. And yeah, as we opened, I was waiting for an SMT and I got my SMT there and took shorts.
Mm-hmm. Waited for 12:30.
Yeah.
A nice pullback.
11, kind of like it
Yeah.
was like 11:29, but yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I was saying the 15-minute opened at 11:30. But yeah,
Yeah.
this isn't bad. I'm glad you waited for time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing with the um first trade, right?
Yeah. And yeah, to me, full out was the full out at the lows.
Yeah, with the low that.
The
Yep.
yes, that low, the very low. Yeah, exactly there. And my last trade was at market close. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
my entry was at 34 candle, the 334 candle.
334 long.
Oh no. Sorry. No. 1540 candle. 1540. Long, yeah. 1540 candle. So 340, that one. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Did you
And
target this
just
high?
still the highs. Yeah, just still the
Yeah,
highs.
scout.
But it was
Yeah,
yeah, but it was
everyone.
just all demo, you know. So
Yeah, it's all good.
No, it's all
yeah.
good. Where you took it? Where you took it?
It was a hold on. It looked to me like it was a 15-minute rejection block at the bottom, and
Mm-hmm.
then I waited for a let me see a 5-minute POI with an order block.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I had
Uh,
SMT at the next 5-minute
at
open,
the
which
lows.
is why I took it
Yeah.
around
With YN.
41,
Yeah, and
40. Yeah.
you see the yeah, you see the OTE of the range as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Right. Range high has
I.
not been taken, but you see any setups inside this range that we formed without taking the range low, the range high is low probable, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, but now overall for a scalp, it was good. It was decent. Nah, good job, man. Now, see if it's demo, it's all good, man. If you can do it here, you can do it on your PA, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The I don't know. I started a demo account with 4,000 and right now it's sitting at 13K. But sure, I kind of traded out more than the usual, but I
Mm-hmm.
don't know, man. For some reason with demo I can take better trades, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I mean I traded my EVA yesterday once and I didn't touch it until today. Maybe tomorrow I'll do it without news because range was pretty big too today, so I was a little bit,
Yeah, nah,
yeah.
yeah, hundred
So
percent. That's solid, man. Good job. Until you switch to your PA, you're doing too good. If you just stick to
mhm.
this on your PA, you're gonna do well, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I hope I don't get my emotions back when I do the PA, you know?
Nah, you're good. You're good, man. You're good.
Yeah. Hey, remember, stick to your rules, bro. When you get on your PA, right? Your
Yeah.
3 trades a day, 2 losses,
Hmm.
1 win. You can be done.
Yeah.
2 losses, you can be done. 3 trades for the whole day, you can be done, right?
Yeah.
And remember, if you enter full size in your first trade, drop down contracts for your second,
Hmm.
and then your third
Yeah.
trade. If you lose the second one, drop down again, right? After
Yeah.
every loss,
Yeah.
drop your cons, and then it's almost impossible to blow your account, right? Because
Yeah.
eventually you're gonna learn from your mistake.
Hmm.
But yeah, these are good, bro.
And the 10 to 12 point stop loss really helps a lot just because I know I have like an area that I'm not really gonna go more than that. You know, I have like an idea
Yeah.
that I'm only gonna lose this amount
Did
regardless
you
what
notice that?
happens.
Did you notice that today all these moves were definitely 40 points, 50 points?
Yeah,
Yeah.
more like yeah,
Yeah,
like 40,
60.
50. Oh.
Yeah. So having a set TP like I used to
Mhm.
talk about, you know,
I have
yeah,
noticed that though, on like regular days with no news on NQ, it usually runs 40, 30, 40 points at
yeah, but
least every
yeah,
time.
yeah. Today was kind of weird. Like 40 points or like 80 points seemed like nothing, right? On these swings,
Yeah.
you need
Yeah.
100 points almost each swing.
Yeah.
But yeah, be careful on days like these. All
Yeah.
right. But yeah, other than that, bro, you did all right. Did pretty good. Waiting for the key level and waiting for
Hmm.
time, right? And waiting for something
Yeah.
to show you that was kind of obvious.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. I'm a little bit, scared because with a demo, I don't really care if I make something or not, which I don't care if I miss it, which probably helps me a lot. But on a funded, it's kind of like different. It feels like I'm chasing something. But I'll fix that. I'll fix that once I'm on a funded.
Uh, it's
Yeah,
alright,
but
bro.
not solid, man. Overall, good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
I got you, man. Any questions before you go?
Is there like anything I have to add here or
Nah,
change
nah, nah.
or?
Stick to this, bro. Stick to this, and then focus on one model. As I told
Mm-hmm.
you, you should be good. If you switch and then stay like this, you should be good. All
Okay.
right, man.
All right. Thank you,
I
guys.
got you. I
Yes,
got you,
sir.
man. Take care.
Thank you. Take
Mona
care.
said. Mona said there was initially a 1 minute SMT with YM in this pullback, but I got stopped. Would that have been a good trade? All right. So now once we you got two Mona, you got two possibilities, right? Whenever you get a sharp decline into the OTE, you want to see a key level want to be hit, right? That's the first thing. Second thing, you want to see a lower time frame SMT for a higher probability setup, right? So now you want to focus on these, or you get a wide stop, right? Don't long in premium, all right, wait for the discount, or even better, wait for the OTE, and then wait for the key level to be hit, and then wait for the correct time, which is the macro, to be in, and then look for a lower time frame SMT, right, in this pullback. That's all you need, and if you just stick to these second stage or the pullbacks, you should be good. If you don't try to catch tops and bottoms.
Yep.
All right,
Did
let's
you
get
get
the
Don
boy
or
Don
what?
here. Yeah, yeah.
Yo,
Yo, what up, Don?
what's up?
What's up, Don? How you doing?
I'm chilling, and you guys?
Good.
Nice.
Good, man.
Um, all right. So I took one trade today. Uzi, as a loser, took it at
Mm-hmm.
11:07.
On ES,
Yeah,
11.
1107. Was it short?
yeah. No, I would try to go long.
1107.
Yeah. So some of the reasons,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Now that I think about it, I probably should have waited for more key levels, but we had this like strange move down. I was like, you know what? There's like no proper retracement there.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
So you wanted to
We
pull back.
also, yeah, I thought it was just gonna be like a pullback to completely run it back
Mm-hmm.
higher to like at least equilibrium of the farther range, and it does not happen. We held a 2 minute and a 1 minute CISD. We definitely had soup and SMT,
And then you waited
and
for 11 o'clock, right?
yeah, then I waited for 11 and had a. We also I used the range from 9:12 to the high at 10:30 or 10:40. I used that as my range because I figured like this dump down already like balanced the previous range, if you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
Is that like something I should be looking at too? Like use that range because it's already balanced, or should I have just used the bigger range at 850?
Talking about this, this from the low down here to the high, this big
Yeah,
range.
because I used that the next low.
Well, you can tell that this price leg from the left, um, I know you use this low, right? 945 low,
Yeah.
or somewhere up here.
No, it was the one below it. One below it. Not
This one.
that one. One more.
This one.
One more. Yeah, I used that one.
Yeah, you could have used either one. It's just that this one didn't wasn't in truly in discount yet until
Yeah.
it got down here and hit a. We sat around this 15-minute OB all day.
Yeah, no, I saw
Um,
that. I got off and came back, and I was like, damn, we were holding that shit.
yeah, we're holding both ways, 15-minute up there and a 15-minute down here.
Pretty
Um,
rangy day.
yeah, but I'd say even on this rally up, we didn't get a real reversal or a proper OTE, right?
Yeah, I thought. See,
We
I
had to come in
thought
here and continue
the
higher.
OTE. I guess so. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and same thing with like you thought. Everyone thought we would get a retracement here
Mhm.
to come down, right? But
Yeah.
then instead, we just came back later on both sides and consolidated at this high, at these highs. All right, so
Yeah.
um, yeah, it's all good, bro.
So with 1107, was that just like just how to wait it out? Just
Yeah, did you enter on the first hit of a key level? What'd you use though?
it was a 2 minute. We were holding this 2 minute and 1 minute. It
What?
wasn't. I don't think it was the first tap. It was at 10:06 was one level, and then the 2 minute was at 9:52.
Oh, like an OB or what?
Yeah, CISD.
Oh, CISD. Yeah, the
Mhm.
higher time frame PD arrays are way better.
Yeah, I just
You
figured because
don't.
I feel like I've been waiting for like way too much, and I miss out on a lot of trades. I just wait for like way too much, and then
Hey, it's better waiting than you having to sit through something like this and take a quick
yeah, it's
loss.
true.
Um,
I just like I miss out on so many, cause like in like mock two, like we had like a tiny ass soup I thought, and it just ran.
yeah, this soup down here. This is the one we all looked at. What was I gonna say? Fuck, I forgot what I was gonna say.
All right, Don.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Now, Don, I want you to. It won't make sense, but I want you to let the first quarter of the hourly play out slowly. All
Okay.
right, don't rush it. Let the hourly tells you what it wants to do because you want to trade a single hourly candle, right?
Mhm.
Let the hourly tells you what it wants to do, right?
Yeah.
Let it manipulate the wrong side, and then it gives you a super clear entry. All right, don't rush it.
All
All right,
right. Sounds good.
let that whenever you force that key level, this we're gonna fuck up. All right, I want you
Yeah.
to
Nah.
choose a
Definitely do that.
clean, clear as key level that will certainly reject from now. It's up to you to go and study what's a high probable key level and which is not. Then once you do that, I want you to do the same framework with the 4 hour, right?
Mhm.
And then this
Practically. Yeah.
framework, yeah, with the 30 minute, all right?
Sounds good. I
All you need is single 15-minute candle, right?
yeah.
A
Nah. I've
classic
noticed
flat
that.
bullish or
Yeah.
bearish. Yeah.
Last thing, I have one more question. So, I really, really wanted to take longs at 10 o'clock, but we ended up making the move at 9:45. Was that just like just kind of unlucky waiting for 10? Because I saw that 9:45 move and I was like, all right, that definitely looks good.
The dip.
But I was like, you know what, 10 o'clock is right there. I might as well just wait for 10.
Well, that's the thing. Sometimes the price can do things before time. Right? It depends where price will
Yeah.
be at. Like
All right.
sometimes MOC will start, earlier than the 50.
Yeah.
Uh, it can start a little. Yeah, yeah, no, yeah. Price will tell you what's gonna happen. But today was just a kind of a weird day, right?
Yeah. I thought maybe not to like think too much about it because it was just we had that huge fucking dump and shouldn't have expected much
Yeah.
anyways.
Uh huh.
Now you see, whenever we reach the last few minutes, right, of the hourly,
Mm-hmm.
I want you to think of it. It's either gonna do one thing, right? It's either gonna continue to expand or it's gonna retrace to low close, right, or
Yeah.
high close.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I want you to think of it like that. And then once you get the answer, you need to look at the hourly candle and how it's printing, and then you get your answer if that a key time or not. If you should wait for 10, and once you wait for 10, you cannot take it right away. What if 10 ranges? What are you gonna do next?
Yeah. Yeah. So you got to wait for them key levels. Yeah. That I was putting too much emphasis on time probably there.
Yeah, you need to focus on time. What if 10 ranges? What do you do?
You got to wait for the next open.
Yeah, next hourly open, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't force it. Let it come to you. All right, man.
Sounds good. Yep. That was basically it.
All right,
Thank you
sounds good,
guys.
man.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Got you,
Have a
man.
good
Alright,
night.
down.
I'll see you. See you.
See you.
See you. All right, who get in? Ani, you want to review 3 p.m. or 5 for Crazy Charms?
The long or what?
Yeah,
What was it? It was a
1505.
yeah, this long right here.
Yeah.
15:05. Yeah, this long was simply just the second hour of the 4 hour that we tell y'all guys about. That we told you guys to go look at what happens in the second hour of the 4 hour, right? Um, I know a lot of people wanted the lower lows. These two lower lows here. I think a lot of people were definitely waiting for these 1 o'clock lows to get taken, but YM had taken this internal here, created SMT, and that's what kind of stopped us from going lower right here. Another thing is YM already took the lows to the left from the 8 o'clock drop. So say YM takes these lows, and then YM also prevented us from taking from going lower because it took these internal lows before us. All right. Um, but sometimes trades can set up with just the internal candles here. Crazy terms. Yeah. So sometimes setups can form inside of this. It's just one thing that we gotta use for we got a data collect, right? When a soup happens, the same thing happened yesterday. If you go to yesterday terms to Tuesday the 9th, April 9th, same thing happened. We chopped around in the 4 hour open hour, first hour of the 4 hour, and the second hour manipulated, right? And if not, yeah, secondary entry would have been this pullback, right? Mm. Yeah, today was just the same thing on both sides over and over again.
Yep. Just think
Side
about
of
it, like range low to range high. Crazy.
yeah, can use
Nothing
candles like
much.
that. Yeah,
Yep.
yeah. We sweep range low, target range high, and then from range high we come back into it. Try that out, guys. This is how you can get nice moves waiting for consolidation and waiting for ranges to form. All right, we got anyone else coming up?
Yep.
Today was pretty
Let's see
tough.
some more people here. Yeah, I could
Yeah,
tell from people not coming in. It's fine. Whenever we had that big expansion, the daily whenever the daily objective has been met, we're just ranging. And I will tell you guys, whenever we form range low, range high, all you need is wait for one of two ranges to be taken. What we get, not a single range low or range high got taken. Bunch of SMTs at the lows and at the highs. What we get, the dumb money, right?
yeah.
Gonna see what PPI gonna do tomorrow. Overall, whoever stepped out today, it was just better. The only short we're gonna go over is 1040. All right, we're gonna give out some sauce about it for those who stay till the end. But yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, we got you, sir. All right, let me see more people here. Should I start picking on people? SB, did you trade?
Yeah, guys. Yeah, on a day like this, today, you can just wait for some range highs to be taken, but or any closures above, and then we can sweep that. Yeah, today was pretty tough. If you didn't know what you're doing, just for scalps.
Yep. Yeah. Any new members here? Y'all should step up. Let me see. Edwin, Mona, Bladdy, Nick. Y'all can come up even with no trades. Y'all can just ask questions if you want. Review 1312 long.
Review 1312 long.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, this low.
All right. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, let me go to 5
Do
minute.
that. You see the same range forming. All right. Now this is the reason this long did never play out as it should be. Right. Again, it's range low, range high. Anything in between is gonna be temporary. Right. So now what you do is just play the higher time frame candles opens. What we get? We got the 1 p.m. right? 1 p.m. open, right? When it opens, suspicious rally down into what? OTE of the range, right? We get the previous hourly purge, previous range purge, right? And then we hit the OTE plus the key level. All right. This suspicious rally down is gonna get what? That V shape that we talk about, right? On the VIP. Now all you need to look for is a lower time frame SMT. This is just a model. All right.
But
You don't force a key level, you find it. All right. So now the key level was just the OB getting revisited, right? And of course, you can use all time frames for this. And you can see how we tap the 5 minute, we tap the 6 minute, we tap too many OBs. Add the OTE, all right, plus the SMT, right? The double SMT and YM. That's the key. This is why today was so choppy. YM took the range low and took it twice actually.
Yeah.
So YM took the range low, right? Once he got the range low, so that SMT inside the key time inside the macro, you look for a lower time frame SMT at a key price which is OTE, right? And then you can take your long from there, targeting what? The low hanging fruit. What's the low hanging fruit? The OTE of the small price leg, and then the high that took out the low. Simple as that.
Yeah, some of the VIP, I bet you can probably see some of those models that we drew out from you for you yesterday in the suit model section for the VIPs. You can probably see some of them play out. You're gonna be seeing them play out every day. It's just what kind of what doll. If your doll is correct, they're gonna play in your favor, right? Yeah, ticket 1 hour ranges. You can talk about it's fractal, so it is fractal. But yeah, whenever you see a 1 hour candle open, depending on what time it is, um, take out a previous 1 hour candle into a key level. Um, can be a model in itself. It just depends what price is at and what you're watching price do at a certain time below the opening. Yeah,
Yes, sir. You don't need to watch only the 4 hour, 1 hour. Watch the 3 minute, 2 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour, right? Watch all of these. How they open, right? Where they're heading to, what's the draw? What's the higher time frame narrative? What we forming? What market maker? Right? Buy or sell model. Once you read that, you zoom in. This way you zoom in. You need to frame your what's the range we're dealing with? Where are we? Discount, premium, OTE. You need to frame all of that and then you zoom in. Alright? And then you play out with the lower even after that all that framework, and then once you see how the higher time frame is playing out, you zoom in and then you choose a single hourly candle. If that hourly candle doesn't give you what you want, you wait for the next one. All right. And then from that hourly candle, you pick a single 15 minute as your entry, right? And then you zoom into the 1 minute, and then you look for that intraday entry to target the previous range 50%, and then the previous range low or high. Oh, the boy before is here. What up before? Guy made 10 bands, bro.
small CPI short, nice one.
Yeah. What's up, bro? Day one, Zypho. Anyone want to get up? Get up? What a glaze before.
Yeah, I'm just ready for tomorrow, bro. Consolidation today. See some expansion
Yeah, nothing much. Yeah.
tomorrow, Friday.
The free members, you guys. Yeah, the free members, you guys have any questions before we move to the inner circle breakdown? I think that would be it. We should move. It's gonna be quick and easy today,
Yep.
just because of the PA that we had.
Quick and easy. Quick
Horrible.
and easy. All right.
Yep.
Shall we move to the VIP inner circle? Yeah.
Yep. I
All
think
right, guys.
the free members doesn't have that much. Yeah.
Yeah. We'll
VIP. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
VIP. We'll catch you guys next week. The next week. Sorry, here in a little bit. And the free members. We'll catch you guys next week.
Thank you guys for coming in. And yeah, we'll see you.
See ya.